This is the DNUT 9-year overview reading for the years 2021 through 2029. DNUT, that's Krispy Kreme donuts. It's currently November 9th, 2022, approximately 10:38 p.m. Eastern Time. The current price of DNUT is $14.16 per share. So the overall theme and trend direction, we have a decline, a sideways fluctuations with a decline, but generally speaking, it's innate within this card that decline precedes a rally. It's generally a good opportunity to buy in when you see the Empress card. It's crossed with an opportunity to, like a significant lucrative trade opportunity at a support level. So that goes hand in hand. Behavior around the 9-year high, guys, we have a notable move higher. It'll really stand out on a multi-year chart. Behavior around the low, we have the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through a key support level. That's a key support level on the scale of a multi-year chart. 2020, we have 2021, we have a decline through multiple support levels. 2022, we have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. 2023, we have a notable move to the upside, even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds. 2024, lucky opportunity there. We're gonna have to look closer at that. But it's a notable move higher. It looks like the beginning of a rally there. 2025, a prominent reversal standing out on a multi-year chart. 2026, we have a decline that increases with momentum moving forward into the year. 2027, we have that decline continues. It's even more pronounced in 2027, but it offers an opportunity to open up a long position as well. 2028, we have an agreement or a merger of some kind. This is probably a merger or acquisition here. Interesting. They might get purchased. 2029, three pokes through the same resistance level, followed by a sharp drop after that third poke. I'm advised to trade around a failed attempt to break through a key resistance on a multi-year chart, followed by a decline through key support on a multi-year chart. And then the sneak preview of the following 10-year period. We have quite a bit of volatility and an opportunity at a resistance level to position oneself in both directions. So a lot of trading can be done with this DNUT over that next 10-year period of 2030 through 2031. But my sense is that it's going to get purchased here. My sense is that it gets purchased here. Either that, if there's some sort of merger acquisition here. And that's DNUT shares for the 9-year period of 2021 through 2029. Guys, if you want to see the full prediction on YouTube, check out our YouTube channel in the description of this TikTok video. We get into the pattern recognition portion, explaining the highs and lows, where we see the highs and lows and the best trade strategy. So check it out, guys. It's all free. Over 900 predictions. I'll see you there. All right, so after doing the pattern recognition portion markup here, quite a few things. So this is the entire chart for Krispy Kreme thus far. It started in 2021, right? So off of the high, there's a notable decline here. And then in 2022, we have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. Looks like there's one there. We're probably gonna like have another attempt here towards the end of December is my hunch. But there's sideways rotation as correlated to the Princess of Discs here, and you can see this is sideways rotation. We'll probably have another failed attempt to break through this resistance here, and like a trough. This may be the trough, matter of fact. Either this is the trough, or we have a trough like in early January. That's a trade opportunity, and we should have a notable move higher, even in the face of some headwinds possibly. That's in 2023, and then 2024. The full card, there's a notable move to the upside, so a little bit of a decline between 23 and 24, and then a notable move higher. and another trade opportunity in there as well. So it looks like probably from this trough, a buy opportunity at this trough here, on the cusp of 22 and 23, and then looks like a pretty good peak. It's either 2024 or 2025. It's probably 2025 is my sense, based on the fortune card. That's usually a new high, so that would be a good opportunity to sell. Might even be like on the cusp of 2026 based on this trade correlation. So I'm going to go with 2025 as a new high, and then off of that new high, between like 2025 and 2026, a decline commences, and it increases with momentum moving forward into the year. And by 2027, that decline is then offering an opportunity to open up a long position. And you can see we have this merger acquisition here. Probably the decline goes even into 2027, and then what I sense here taking place is Krispy Kreme is purchased by another company. So this may become irrelevant, this card here, all this stuff may become irrelevant, but my sense is that it gets purchased by another company, and there's a big pop higher off of whatever trough we see here in 2027. There'll be a big pop higher to another high, maybe the same high, or is it the same high or higher high? It's the same high, the same highest high that we probably have here in 2025. Yeah. All right, so that's a 10-year for Krispy Kreme's, guys. It's pretty exciting. I don't know if you've tried their donuts as of recently, but I can't get enough of them. They're amazing, absolutely amazing. So with that said, guys, the first time I predicted donut was at $11 down here, roughly. Or it might have been 14. I think it was $14, matter of fact. So roughly right around here, and then it quickly popped all the way up to $19.50. Long term, this is a significantly good buy opportunity early in 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. If you want to see more DNUT, let me know in the comments. Make sure to follow, like, subscribe, and most importantly, make sure you follow that rule of karma, my friends. As long as you follow that rule of karma, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one.